Miguel got a new little chainsaw. And y'all don't laugh, it's in pink. I ordered it for him. And I like the color. It don't matter what color it is if it works.
The gloves ain't
But he got gloves in there.
Will fit me. Yeah. Got a gloves. Little screwdriver.
An old screwdriver. And a nice little carrying case.
Let's put a box down here.
The extra chains.
Yeah, that's 2 extra chains.
That's pretty neat.
It was gonna last a long time. Because when there is not sharp anymore, I sharpen. So they don't cut anymore.
Set it up here on the table and open it.
Got it.
So you don't drop anything.
Got it.
Pink in all its glory. Isn't that beautiful? I was thinking I would be able to use it.
You could?
Yeah.
One hand?
One hand, yep. I might be able to.
Maybe you use it.
Sure, we'll try. All right, guys, when we get it out.
Safety glasses.
Yeah, even got safety glasses in there. But when he gets it out of the box and gets the battery charged, we're going to show you what it'll do.
2 batteries.
2 batteries with pink on them too. How neat.
This one is.
And we're going to cut us up some little firewood to use in our fire pit. Because we plan on actually using it part-time for a grill. Got to charge that battery.
I don't think they go all the way in. You have to push this little button at the same time. It's actually like safety.
Safety.
If you want to stop it, you just take your finger out of
And
it.
where's the oil? You got to put some oil in that thing for the chain.
I don't think it's that one.
Yeah, it's that one. That's why they put it in there.
That one ain't gonna last but 1 minute.
They put it in there. All right, let's get some oil in it.
2 batteries.
Yeah. That one don't have pink on it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the charger.
Charger. You
So
did.
you got 2 batteries and a charger.
Let's see, we got this one plug.
What's the name of the battery?
Oh, that's where you plug it.
Yeah, what's the name of the battery? Let me see. I can't even see it. My glasses don't even work. But anyway, when he starts using it, we're going to show you guys. Miguel's out here with his new saw and got his little sticks going to cut up for the fire pit. He's going to put it to the test, he said.
That's pretty sharp.
should fill it up.
Yeah.
All right, Miguel, how do you like that little pink saw?
Like, let me put it.
Okay.
You see, if you have something that's more big than this one, they can cut probably a little bit bigger than 2 inches round. When they get to this thing, they touch this.
Raises up.
Yeah. And then when you finish, they just go back right there. They don't touch the blade. See what they do down here. This one ain't that big. It's kind of a little bit more big down here.
It raises up. I saw it.
Yeah.
All right, let's put some in here, see how it looks. How it fits in here.
Alright, so that work is perfect.
Perfect.
Talking to April.
Changed up. Put him on a bucket so it won't be close to his leg and knee. It might be a little safer this way. But he is wearing his safety glasses. He says safety first. That looks pretty good in that little fire pit.